Hello! I've always wanted to start a video like that. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I ate today. This video was, well, it was shot like a couple days ago, but this is kind of like a typical what I eat in a day. Although I have to say, disclaimer, I don't eat pizza every day. This was just like a typical, like, I don't feel like cooking tonight and I have pizza like maybe once a week. So today, well, that day was my pizza day. I hope that you guys enjoy the video and let's jump into breakfast because your girl needs to eat like ASAP Rocky. Okay, bye. So once I finally make my way to the kitchen, I pretty much refuse to actually get out of bed and I'm still wrapped up in a blanket, but I grab my Starbucks espresso pods and I'm going to make coffee for the morning. I make my coffee with just milk and espresso poured over top with 1 pump of simple syrup in there. I literally can't believe I included that in the video. Okay, I'm just toasting my bagel and then on the side I'm chopping up some strawberries, and then on my bagel I usually do regular cream cheese, but I'm switching it up with some herb and garlic cream cheese. So I'm just sitting down to enjoy my breakfast and go on social media and do all those things. And later that day when I say I'm hungry, I usually get up, head to the kitchen, and today I decided to do something light, so I went for a salad just with tomatoes, peppers, and onions. I'm personally just such a salad fan, so I try to eat a salad every day. It doesn't always happen, but I just love salad. So on top I am having a Greek dressing that has some feta in there, so I love that one. And I'm sitting down and just adding some salt and pepper to my salad for flavor as well. Nom nom nom. And instead of talking about dinner, I'll just show you. This is, yeah, me. Yeah, I definitely did get a large pizza, in case you're wondering. I got pepperoni, green peppers, mushrooms, and onions. So this is my solo pizza party. Yes! Later that night, I definitely went and ate a couple Oreos, I'm not gonna lie. But that is pretty much everything I ate that day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will catch you in the next one. Mwah.